Okay, this is question 18. It says graph the line x equals 2. Now, x equals 2, this is just going to be one point you have here. This is the line. So basically what this is saying is when you have an equation like y equals 2x plus 4, let's just say. If you want to graph this line, you just list all the xy pairs you can. So let's see, when x is 0, I get 4. When x is 1, I get 6 for y. When x is 2, I get 8. But the problem is I can't list all of them, right? So we use a line to represent all the answers because there's an infinite number of answers that make this true. Like I can make x any decimal and get an answer for y. I can make x negative, get an answer for y. Here, it works the same way, except the only restriction I have is I want to list every coordinate where the x value is 2. So here I listed every coordinate that satisfied this equation. Now I'm just worried about every coordinate where the x value is 2. So I have 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, right? 2 comma 3, 2 comma negative 17. There's also an infinite number of points here. But if I start plotting these, let's see, 2, 0, I get that. 2 comma 1, I get that. 2 comma 3, I get that. 2 comma negative 17, somewhere down there. You'll see that they all fall on this vertical line. So when I have an equation like x equals something, that's going to result in just a vertical line going forever up and forever down. That shows a graphic representation of every single coordinate that satisfies this. Okay, if you have something that says like, let me do a different color, y equals, let's say y equals negative 3. That's going to be every coordinate with the negative 3 for y. 0 comma negative 3. Negative 5 comma negative 3. 3 comma negative 3. And there's an infinite number of those as well. But if I plot those, negative 5 negative 3, 0 negative 3, 3 negative 3, you'll see those are on a horizontal line. So you just have to remember x represents a vertical line, y represents a horizontal line. When I taught this years ago, I used to use this word vuxhoy. It's stupid, but it helps people remember. Okay, vuxhoy. Vertical lines have a slope that's undefined. We won't really need that too much. With an equation x equals. Horizontal lines have a slope of 0, and their equation is y equals. So just kind of remember that when you see an x, that should represent a vertical line at that x value of 2.